Hi friends, today I am discussing about how to deploy machine learning model in using Streamlit library. So for this reason, I am taking bank authentication dataset. So I am doing this is using Google Colab. So to access the Google Drive, this is the code, and these are the important libraries for doing this task. And this is the dataset. This data, so it has four features and one dependent feature. So this is the describe how the data is like mean, count, minimum, standard deviation. Now these are the columns and count how many rows are there. This it shows the how there any null values are there. This is for UMAP, uniform manifold approximation. This is for doing dimensionality reduction. Why I am doing this dimensionality reduction? Because we are doing scatter plot or doing any, we want to draw any plot. So it takes only two dimensional, but we have four features now. It represents four dimensional. So we can't represent this four dimensional using this plot. So I need to reduce that four dimensions to two dimensions. Then only we can visualize the plot. That's why I am taking this algorithm. So this is the I am getting the data only independent features. So this is the visualization of the whole data using scatter plot, the help of the UMF algorithm. These are for the quantiles for outliers finding. This is normal code for detecting outliers, and there is an outlier algorithm. So I will show. This is elliptical envelope algorithm I am using for detection of outliers. So based upon data, it draw ellipse. So this is the decision function to create ellipse, and this is the figure. So the points outside the ellipse is called outliers. So I am using random forest classifier. So I got 98% accuracy. So this is the main library for deployment. Before I am saving my model using binary format using Pickle library. I am installing Streamlit library. Uh, Importing the library and loading the data for model, and I am writing a function to take the uh, whatever we are giving data using inputs for taking that this data where will be going to uh, this function, and when we are predicting this is the main function for deployment. This is the HTML code. The main difference between Flask and Streamlit, we don't need to much write the more amount of coding. There is no requirement of more amount of coding. So there is no separate HTML files requirement for Streamlit library. This is the heading. This is the style. So we have four features. We need to take four inputs. So I take text input. This is the button. When I am pressing button, predict button, then algorithm gives accuracy.